Hey there, friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Rebecca Austin, and on this channel, we talk about all things Kajabi, marketing, and growing your online business. Now, if you're serious about growing your business, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you won't miss a single update of all of the latest content as we're putting it out to support you in all kinds of tips, tutorials, and benefits to help you really understand the strategies behind what it takes to be successful. Now, today we are going to talk about lead magnets. Now, lead magnets is one of those topics that is my favorite topic to talk about, especially because I see way too many people in this industry are approaching lead magnets incorrectly. So in this video, we are going to discuss the top things you need to know about crafting your lead magnet so that they do what you want them to do, which is help you with conversions. The mistake so often that I see is that people approach the lead magnet as something that they just need. Everybody knows that they need a lead magnet, but do you understand the true purpose of a lead magnet and how to be able to leverage your lead magnets to make them actually drive the sale? One of the things that I see way too often is that we're approaching a lead magnet just by a lead list, or in actuality, they're looking at it as just grow my email list. In fact, I was just talking to a friend the other day, and she was talking about how she finally put two and two together about how you do these lead magnets in order to get names and email addresses. And so often we hear in the industry that the size of your email list correlates with the size of your income then. So in order to increase your income, you need to grow your list. Now, there's just enough truth to that to where it becomes then a fact. But the reality is there's a lot of people that I know that have a really huge list that aren't making any money. And the reason for that is they're not really leveraging the power of the lead magnet in a way that actually then increase revenue. So yes, to a point, I agree that we want to be able to have these lead magnet offers to be able to help connect with your audience in a way that you cannot connect otherwise by just doing an ad campaign and having somebody come to your website and then hopefully selling to them. Yes, that can happen, but most of the time what we need to do is build a relationship and build connection and have an opportunity then to communicate the value and what it is that we do for people. And sometimes we need to do that over a series of emails. So getting the name and email address is part of the process, yes, but it's only a small piece of the puzzle. And if we're not looking at the whole thing as a full picture, most likely you're missing a few pieces, and therefore you're not seeing the results that you would otherwise be able to achieve if you were putting all of those pieces in place. So let's go through those pieces so that you understand from an overview perspective of what the lead magnet is and what it's really supposed to be able to do for you. So first of all, a lead magnet is just that. It's a lead magnet, meaning that we want to attract and connect and draw together. Lead from the perspective of this is someone who is a prospect. So usually in sales, when we talk about a lead, this is someone who is interested in what it is that you offer, not just a name and email address on a list that doesn't necessarily go anywhere. We want an actual lead, meaning that they're warm, they're at least engaged, they're somewhat interested, and they're curious enough about what it is that you do to connect with you a little bit further, which is to give you their name and email address. So part of the process of a lead magnet is to be able to connect and get that name and email address. The other part of it, however, though, is the lead magnet itself. What we give them should, in a sense, connect with them on such a deep level that it builds a desire for what it is that you are offering. So what it is that you're selling. So if your lead magnet is simply a free something that you are producing that just basically is something for free to get the name and email address, You're missing those extra pieces of building engagement, connecting with your audience, and getting them to a point of curiosity, shedding light on the transformation or the solution to a problem that you offer through your paid offer, and then increasing a desire and an interest in what it is that you are selling. I like to say that in an ideal scenario, when they go to your lead magnet and they go through that lead magnet process, by the time they have connected and then looked at your lead magnet and then go to your sales page, they're already 80% or more sold on what it is that you offer when they even just hit your sales page. Because remember, when we think about the lead magnet, it's not just to give them something for free, it's to give them something for free, to connect with them and engage with them, and then get them to actually look at what it is that you offer on the paid conversion. And ideally, we want to have them so interested through the lead magnet of giving them some really good, solid information, but giving them just enough information that we're shedding light on a subject. We're giving them a new perspective about what it is that you do. We're ch- changing the way they look at the problem that they currently have that you help them solve. There's a lot of different things that we can do within that lead magnet that then builds so much curiosity, interest, and shows value for what it is that you offer in your paid version that they're basically just pulling out their credit cards and saying, sign me up. And that's what we want to do through a lead magnet. So you want to have that whole picture approach when you are designing your lead magnets and you're putting that process together. And that includes all the way from the invitation to the lead magnet being whatever ad, blog, invitation on your website, anything that you're doing from a content marketing, paid marketing, affiliate marketing, any of the different marketing avenues, we're taking them to this interest thing, this invitation for a lead magnet that's something for free or very low price, but typically free, that then gets their name and email address, which then gives them some really great high value information that leaves them wanting more and then gets them into your sales funnel. And for those who don't make it into your sales funnel, the other important ingredient is the nurture email sequence that goes along with that lead magnet that you've created. So once they give us the name and email address, you have a way to connect with them. And the goal of that email nurture sequence is several things. Number one, we want to re-engage with them and keep them warm because these are leads and we want to make sure that we're keeping them really interested so that we're giving them really good information and reiterating the information that we have explored with them inside the lead magnet. The other thing we're trying to do is we're trying to show them that your emails have value and that when they see emails from you, they want to open the email. That way you can increase the likelihood that they will actually see the communication that we're sending to them about the follow-ups that go along with your free offer that then invites them to take further action with you. So keep in mind that this is just a high-level overview to kind of plant some seeds. We could easily spend a lot of time specifically on lead magnets. There's a whole bunch of ingredients that I like to say we need to have in every lead magnet. I call it the 5 eyes of lead magnet strategy. There's a lot of different places that we could go, but for the sake of here on YouTube, to be able to keep this a nice, short, quick overview video for you, I wanted to at least introduce the concept for you so that you understand that there's more to a lead magnet than just getting the name and email address. It's about creating a relationship with your prospect. It's about building interest. It's about following up with them through your nurture sequence so that you can show them that you have value and get them where they want to open your emails. And it's to build so much interest, intrigue, engagement, and desire through the lead magnet that when we get them to the sales funnel, they're already pretty much sold. So, if you are working on lead magnets yourself and you're curious about ways that you can improve on your lead magnet if you're not getting a good conversion percentage out of that, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know what your lead magnet is and some of the things that you're doing for your lead magnet. And I'll see what I can do to help you. You can also go to my website at striveforsavvy.com. We have a mini course that we used to do as a live course that's now available just as a replay to give you some insights on all of the ingredients needed within a lead magnet strategy called Attract and Convert. So we have that available for you, as well as lots of really great resources on my website to be able to help you in various ways of filling in those gaps so you can increase your conversions and see the success that you know that you can achieve and help more people. So thank you for watching our video giving you a big picture overview of lead magnets. It's one of the most common mistakes that I see when I'm working with clients on improving their conversions. We see a lot of different things within the lead magnets. So if that is you, be sure to go back to the drawing board and look at ways that you can increase that engagement, increase that desire. And if you need assistance with connecting the dots on your lead magnet, definitely reach out on our website, striveforsavvy.com, schedule a discovery call, and we'll connect more and help you with your lead magnets.